Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Rami Wahidah, NIM 210862668. Di sini saya akan menjelaskan tentang sepak bola. Football is one of the most popular sport in the world, including in Indonesia. Football is a type of sport, the art of handling the ball, which is played by a team consisting of 11 players. Football is known to have existed and been known for a long time, even from BC. Until now, football is still growing in various parts of the world. Even though the game of soccer is now synonymous with being popular with men, there are quite a few women who like it and also play. In the game of soccer, the main goal is to score as many goals as possible by putting the ball into the opponent's goal. Apart from that, the game also requires a high level of sportsmanship between players, both friends and opponents. Quoted from the Ministry of Education and Culture website, the history of the sport of football began in the end 2 and 3 countries BC in China. During the Han Dynasty, Chinese people are known to have known the game of dribbling a leather ball by kicking it into a small net-shaped goal. The ball game is called tusu. However, the sport, which was later called football, was not previously played by ordinary people. At that time, Chinese soldiers played football to maintain their physical condition. On the other hand, they also played as a means of entertainment when three ways and emperor betray celebration. Similar games have also been found in other countries, especially in Japan. If in China it was called tusu, when then the ball game in Japan at that time was known as kemari. Similar to China, at that time the Japanese played by dribbling a ball made of their skin. Based on historical records not only in China and Japan, but Asian soccer games were also found in other countries such as Rome, England, Mexico, Central America, and even ancient Egypt, which played soccer using balls made rubber. As time progressed, football became known not only in small areas but also in universities and schools. This development began to be seen in 1815 and continued to develop until around 1900. At that time, modern football began to develop in England after a meeting was held by 11 representatives of existing football associations at the Football Association Freemason Tavern in London in 1863. The result of the meeting then established the basic rules for playing football in Wales. Scott Scotland and Ireland. Football became increasingly popular after British sailors, traders, and soldiers became familiar with it throughout the 19 tahun country until finally in 1904 in line with the development of football in European countries. The World Hicks Football Association was formed called the Federation Internationale de Football Association FIFA. In Indonesia itself, the game of modern football is known to have been brought by the Dutch during the colonial era. The first football organization established in Indonesia was the Netherlands Indische Voetbalbond NIVB. At that time, football on the island of Java was only played by Dutch people and educated people who had access. This means that modern football has not yet become a popular sport. As football developed in the world, this sport also increasingly developed in Indonesia. It was recorded that in 1915 football clubs started to emerge which were led by Chinese citizens in Indonesia. In 1920 clubs such as UMS Jakarta and Surabaya managed to become the greatest club in Dutch as India's football. Several years after that, the All Indonesia Football Association PSSI was formed, which was founded in Yogyakarta on April 1930. The first PSSI leader at the time was Soeratin Sosrogondo, as reported on the official PSSI website. The founding of PSSI had the aim of using football as a tool to spread the spirit of nationalism among youth and oppose Dutch colonialism. After the founding of PSSI, annual competition in Indonesia began to run from 1931 to 1941. The competition stopped from 1942 to 1950 when Japan began to colonize Indonesia until the early days of independence. Only after that, in 1951, PSSI started running again. Techniques and how to play soccer. Kicking the ball. To kick the ball with the inside of your foot, place your sparring foot next to the ball. There is the tips of your toes pointing straight forward. Point your foot inside toward the ball, twist and knees pointing outward. Maintain this posture while swinging your legs. Kick slightly backwards, the forwards. Try to make sure the part you want to hit is between the inside of your foot and the middle of the ball. Controlling the ball. Stopping the ball. Every soccer player must learn techniques for stopping or controlling the ball. Some ways that can be done are using the inside of the leg, using the thigh, and using the cast. Using the inner foot. See the ball come rolling, pick up the ball, place your foot in front, follow the movement with your foot to stop or control the ball. Stop the ball on the front side of the foot. B. Using tanks. The ball come flying, pick up the ball by lifting your stick. Stretch, pull when the ball is about to hit your stick. 3 not to move against the arrival of the ball to produce perfect control of the ball with your things. She using the cash, see the ball come flying, pick up the ball by pulling your body back, passing when the ball is about to hit your chest. 3 not to move against the arrival of the ball to produce perfect control of the ball with your chest. Dribbling the ball. Dribbling the ball, another basic technique that must be learned in playing soccer, is dribbling. This technique can be done using the inside of the foot, the outside of the foot, and the back of the foot. A. Using the inner foot. When dribbling the ball, try to hit the ball between the inside of your foot and the middle of the ball. Do this respectively, alternating right left foot. B. Using the upside of the foot. When dribbling the ball, try to make contact between the outside of your foot and the middle of the ball. Do this repeatedly, alternating right atau left foot. Rules in the game of football. Game team rules, goal scoring rules, kick off, offside, throw in or throw in, yellow card, red card, free kick or free kick, penalty kick, corner kick, goal kick, number of players, substitution of player, handball. Benefit of football games: improves cardiovascular health, reduces body fat, increases bone density, improves cognitive brain function, good for mental health. What to avoid in a soccer game: tackle your opponent with you taking with the ball, banging yourself off your body part when grabbing the ball, bullying the body part of the opponent while control the ball, push your opponent, jump over your opponent, block your opponent legs while running, lifting the lock to hit with and dress to opposing player.